What's up, what's up, what's up? Will Shaves here. Haven't done a video in a little over 2 weeks. So, it's been busy and I don't know, just preoccupied. Anyways, so, one of my subscribers has a problem lathering a certain soap. So, I decided to go ahead and see what I could do on the lather and see what it shaves with, I guess. How the shave is with it. So, in simpler form, a lather review and a shave. Hope everyone's well. Sorry I have not been here, but it's chaotic. Alright guys. But I'm still looking good there, I guess. Yeah. I shaved yesterday. So hear it? Yeah, but today's shave is going to be with West Coast Shaving Campfire. See that? Campfire. And I love the smell of this soap. It smells like smoke. Wood. You know how it smells when a fire, you smell the smoke and all the burnt wood and stuff. I think it's pretty nice. So that's what it looks like. So, yeah, just drop it around. Okay. And for today's razor, I'm going to be using the Lucky Tiger cartridge razor, whatever this is. Now, this cartridge is the same cartridge that I used when I first got it. And this is going to be shave number 7. Oh, there it is. Right. Oh, let's see where in the hell. There it is. So, and it's still sharp. It still shaves wonderful. So, shave number 7 today. Same cartridge. And for today's aftershave, I'm staying old school, guys. English leather. Can you see that? Yep. Good stuff. Oh, man. And for today's brush, I got it soaking in here in hot water. I have no idea what kind of brush this is. It was sent to me, but it's a silver tip, I know that. So, a little cold. And, alright, let's rinse the face and see what we can do with this soap. I don't know, he said the lather was too dry or dense or something, so I'm going to do my best to see what I could do. So, okay, here we go. Let's wet the face. Okay. Face is wet. Hope everybody's well. Hope everybody's having good shaves. Good products coming in. I sure am. I'm blessed. I mean, next video I will show off some of the shit I got. So, okay. Campfire. West Coast Shaving. So, here it is. And let's see what we could do with this. Shouldn't be too hard. Alright, here we go. Let's load the shit out of this motherfucker. Hopefully we can get some good suds. And the smell immediately. It's loading up pretty good. So I'm gonna do a face lather. A little water on there, and here we go. Campfire. A little more water. Seems to be lathering pretty nice. It's thick. Not too bad. I'm guessing maybe you didn't add enough water, maybe? I don't know. This is nice and thick, though. Look at that. It's like whipped cream. Let's see. Nice. Okay. All right, here we go. Shave number 7 with the tiger. All right. Let's see. When I was a teenager, I had a cartridge razor. And by the way, guys, this stuff smells like burnt paper, burnt wood. You know the stuff you smell like when you're riding in the area of a house fire? You know what I mean? That's what it smells like. I happen to like the smell. All right. Rinse this off. Okay. Now let's rinse the face. Okay. By the way, I'm going to get your Williams soap sent out to you tomorrow morning. Man, I've been occupied and busy and all that kind of shit, so I'll get you in the morning, send you a tracking number. I'll take care of you, buddy. All right. Pass number 2. Let's see. Pass number 1 was great. This is really a cool soap. I'm getting a lot of scents from this. But burnt wood especially. A little more water. Who would have thought to make a campfire scented soap? And look at this. and it's thick. See it? Pretty good stuff. Smells really nice if you like burnt, the smell of, you know, burnt wood and fire. It's really nice. It's enjoyable. I could shave with this every day. But it's I'm gonna have to put it in my rotation. Yeah, not bad. Okay, pass 2. Somebody hit me up and said they wanted this razor from me, if I would sell it. No. This is wonderful. I'm digging it. And honestly, 7 shaves on the same cartridge. That's pretty badass. Yeah, man, this Campfire soap is the shit. Pretty nice. Thank you, bro. Ah, nice. Man, I love that razor. That's what it looks like again, guys. Lucky Tiger. Beautiful. Okay. I have to start taking my earrings off. I know I said that last time. Now let's see if we missed any. Not a one. Beautiful. Ooh. Damn. So, Lucky Tiger, shave number 7, beautiful. This Campfire, man, not bad at all. All I can tell you is maybe you didn't add enough water, maybe? I'm trying to think what would make it dance or whatever. Shit, I got a beautiful shave with it. And I still smell the wood. Yeah, that's nice. Yep. No problems, man. No problems with that shave. Let's rinse the brush. Shit, I enjoyed that. 2 passes. Ah, it smells so good, though. Smell the fire in it. Fire. Wow. Leaves your brush smelling like you found it outside, I guess. Alright, here we go. Now when the hell's my aftershave? I just had it. Here it is. Okay. Here we go. Aftershave spray. Oh. Whew. Man. Feels good to come back to shave YouTube land. Ooh. Beautiful. All right. So, my thoughts of Campfire on a scale from 1 to 10. 1 being the worst, 10 being the best. I'm going to give it a 9. Only because slickness is not there. But the scent and the performance is great. I'm going to give it a 9. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Will Shaves is out. Bam! Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much guys.